You just got to get on the bank.
Me and Andy are down at Doncaster again on the DDAA stretch, but this time we've come to Doncaster and District Angling Association, HMP Prison, Doncaster.
HMP Doncaster.
So,
Behind us and in front of us, I believe.
Very steep banks. It took me about 3.5 weeks to get down.
It's good steps though.
Yeah, the good steps. There's a rope and all on it, but they're not all terrible, but they're not good.
No.
You can't drive as far as we said you could. The bailiff said the CRTs could stop you going down there now because of people were chaining it all up. So not as much access as we thought, but you can drive behind your pegs.
I bet there's 6 or 8 pegs here you can drive behind.
Does it go right up to the left?
It goes up as far as that weir to the left.
Yeah.
Another 2 pegs, I think.
No, there were more than that. There's more than 2 up there.
Side. Might be 3.
Let's say there's at least 10.
Yeah.
Say, yeah. But
we'll have a look before we go.
Yeah, I'll just have a quick look round if we've got enough time, because this is going to be prolific barbel fishing. This is like restaurants' videos.
Yeah. Bag up TV. No.
We've brought us smaller rods. Andy's fishing with his.
It's Free Spirit Barbel Seeker. This is.
But you haven't got your quiver tip in it because it's a twin tip, isn't it?
It is, yeah. I don't think you need it when you're pellet fishing.
And what line are you fishing with?
£12 BSP to a £10 Dren and Acolyte up length.
A size 10.
10 MWG, Guru MWG.
And your reel, same as mine, isn't it?
Yeah, 4000 FA.
Bait runner, that is.
Yeah.
And I've got me Harrison Chimera number 2 today, which is a bit lighter. Now I've got 2 tips for this as well, which is unusual because they're very, very hard to come by. They are.
Quiver tips, I suppose.
The quiver tips, yeah. I suppose you could ask a custom builder to build you one like, but mine aren't replaceable. You can only, mine's just a rod with a, what do you call it, spliced in tip,
yeah,
isn't it?
Glued in tip, yeah.
Where Andy's, you can actually change the tips on this Free Spirit. But they're few and far between now. Do they still do them?
I think so. Walker's had one in before they closed, brand new, so I think you can still buy.
Because I googled them and I couldn't make head and tails on it because that many models of stuff in
all
there.
the CTXs out now, so it's changed everything.
Yeah, there's a CTX Seeker. Is that?
This is pre the CTX.
Yeah, is this?
Yeah.
Is that the equivalent to this?
No.
There's that many models though. It's so confusing, isn't it?
From what I'm told, if the rod started with an S, in the old range it was an S blank, so a Seeker would be built on as an S blank, which is the predecessor to the high S, apparently.
I'm sure somebody in the comments will put us right.
Definitely. I'm no Free Spirit expert.
No, I mean I know that there's a Chimera number 1, 2, 3 and 4.
There is a 4 now.
Yeah, the 4's heavy water, big water, flood water.
2 3/4, 2.5, 2 3/4.
I don't know. What's this? 1 and 7? 175.
1.75. Same
Yeah.
as this.
So mine's a 175 and there's a 175. But when you put your tip in it,
Still a 175.
it's still a 175, but it's got a quiver tip in it. And we've both got Shimano X-Aero 4000 FEs reels. I've got £12 line on. And same up length. Just to start off, we've only just cast in. But it does look lovely. It's nice and quiet. We're actually parked behind us cliff. It's a cliff for a peg. It's actually got rope, a big metal board banged in with rope on it. We're not seeing it to get down. There's steps cut out and they're all right. Just go watch it because some pegs stick up a bit. If you trip up, you're in, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah.
Because there's no way you stop before you get in this water.
Deep, straight in there.
Yeah, and it's straight off tip of your rod. I'm only fishing what?
Rod length.
Half a rod length, because half a rod's behind me, isn't it? You're only a rod and a half out, aren't you?
Yeah.
But we've got, do you call them confluence?
I think so, yeah.
I think you'll be able to see it on the rod cam. where water's coming in. That's the River Don coming in again.
It's both the River Don. It splits round an island.
Yeah, it just splits round an island. It's it used to come round in a weird shape, and
A lovely spot.
they built it's man-made, isn't it? Some on it.
I think there used to be a power station here from what I read up there.
But we're both on pellet, 10 mil
10 mil
marine halibut at the moment. We're pre-fed for about half an hour. But we went to have round 2 at Sprotby Weir, didn't we? And we got up a little bit earlier, not a lot, quarter of an hour earlier we set off. And there were 4 cars there when we got there, and there's only 3 pegs. So Andy had to run up and have a look. Well, a walk. And there were a bloke in a bivvy in Weir peg, weren't they?
I'll give him his due. He's rode a push bike there with a trailer on back with a bivvy in it. That's dedication for you.
Bought the bivvy so you make sure we can get peg. Apparently that's what they like down there.
He'd been in there all night.
35 quid a buck. Some cracking water. This peg is the one that's had the club record out of £15. So the bailiff's just told us. We already spoke to him this morning. I'm taking it. That's got a CRT key on it, hasn't it?
I don't know.
Because they've stopped you driving, like I've just said up there. But Andy's fishing with a little tea bag on. Show camera. You've got to go right up to it. Little tea bag on end, and obviously that's going to melt and leave some pellets at end.
Oh, that's going some, isn't it?
Just a bit. Well, it's not the flow, is it?
Colin's on the £15 record first jump.
It's a bit airy round this corner.
Oh, I bet.
But we're nearly down that under bridge. It's coming up a bit now. Keep yourself locked up on here, Andy. Right, panic stations are over. I thought that was going to do me round corner. You know he's going to go again, don't you? No. That clip's not very loud on this, is it? Aren't these nice rods? You watch it snap now, I've just said something. No, it's not a big lump. It looks about 4 or 5 pounder, doesn't it? Well, we used to say 7 and 8's were worse, weren't they?
Yeah.
Come on, my baby. No, but we like to get them in anyway, don't we? So you don't tire them out. That's why we're fishing a bit heavier gear. She's ready. Give him a minute. You and hooker. I'll shift rod up. You what, mate?
Very light, but cold. Only just up.
There's barbel in them there lakes, rivers. He's ready, look. Ready. Oh, did you reel your in?
Yeah, I bought mine.
Don't put your up yet, I want to go show camera it. Or that one. Oh, he's a bit bigger than I thought. Just watch your pellets, Andy. Right there.
It's not quite set up right.
Oh, there's a 7 in TM.
Yeah, 6 or 7. Beauty.
Not too long, do it?
5.
He said, well, you, bailiff said they've done the oxygen and it's never dropped low here, has it?
No. He wants a minute now.
Oh, they hate me, don't you?
That's 2 Barbel in 2 trips, and I've not seen one yet.
Yeah, I've just seen mine. Swap pegs if you want.
No.
I'll sit there.
I knew that edge looked good.
Well, it gets all your pellets that's coming down and all, doesn't
well,
it?
I'm going to drop in here later.
Why, does that what he told you?
No.
Should be ready now, it's got a nice flow here, hasn't it? Well, it's gone, never to be seen again. Don't you get tail rubbers with that?
With what?
With that kit you got?
No. They do one with tail rubbers in it. We're in now.
We are.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe that's mine then.
No, not at the moment. I'm all right.
Recorded it.
It should. Well, both are on.
It's a small barbel if it's a barbel.
Yeah, it's a barbel.
Small one.
Yeah.
Manage.
You might as well grab that. So I want you to take a photo of me with it.
Yeah, you have to.
Oh, it's a tinker.
What, a barbel?
Yeah. Oh.
Stop them.
About £5, £8. about £20. I think it's a DDAA record, Andy.
Yeah, for you.
I've still got plenty of life left in him. Not worth taking a photo of that, is it? Number 2.
Yeah, you can. I think that.
Why?
Because it won't stop
Yeah,
long
yeah,
enough to
had
look it. I'm wet through now. That wet all my sock and everything. Perfect condition, it's beautiful, it's fresh.
Grab it. What are you giving me for a second? About £4? 3?
Yeah, 2 or 3.
Why do you always go one under me?
Because it weren't very big.
I don't want very big.
I didn't pick it up, so. It's
I
so
didn't. I
hard to-
couldn't tell I got it in my hand. Well, when I said I want a photo on it, I thought to myself, no, if you're going to have a photo or a small fucking, take one of them little ones you catch every now and again. Because they are a bit unusual, aren't they?
Really little ones are, yeah. I think.
Ooh.
Oh.
Get in there.
Be careful on my seat.
Oh, yeah.
No, you'll slip out.
Yeah, but it ain't mine.
Yeah, it'll slip out in front of you.
It's snagged. Here, give me that. You start with that. Because we ain't got much time. Give me that and I'll...
That's going to be everything on.
Yeah, we'll just fish with that and get in and... Ooshka. Still banging. Well, where I've just gone. it's deeper than where I am. I felt it go down a touch. Not a lot, but that's one of your packs hooks gone. That's 4 gone on today because there were 4 in it when we started. But so you've only lost 2 hooks then, haven't you?
You are kidding me.
You're a prick.
What did you say?
You're a prick.
It's a joke.
It's a fucking eel.
Are you Barbel, isn't it?
It is actually, yeah. You can hand that one out. It is Barbel.
Look, right.
Talk about a baby marble, you. I wouldn't count that one, you see.
I've got my finger up right.
That line.
Yes, it's done a full circle round with that finger.
Marvellous hooks, it
No,
should come out.
right. Can you get that right from around me? All wet on the knee. Take that slack a little bit, just a bit.